Good morning. This is Nick Mosley. UTC ID is KHY111. This is going to be problem set number 2 for the final. It's going to be the prime number. So we want a Python function that creates and returns a list of prime numbers between 2 and n. And that's inclusive. So whatever the number as defined by n also needs to be included in that. So sorted in increasing order, prime number divisible only by 1 in itself. Excuse me. We're going to take in an integer and spit out a list of um, prime numbers. So yeah, what we'll need to do is set up an empty list here for that. Bam. So just kind of trim down the word primes and create a new list. We also want to make it inclusive. So we'll set up inclusive will be that n plus 1. So when it's nothing is left out when we do this for in the range. So for the I in the range of, yeah, 1 and 2 and whatever number that is input here, which will be that inclusive. Uh, and then we'll do uh, J in range of that 2 and the I there, which would be the 2 and inclusive. So we can do a little bit of modulo division here. So I divided, or well, modulo of j or j modulo of whatever equals 0. So as long as if it goes into it evenly, break, and that does not account for our purposes. Otherwise, we need to toss it in that list. So we'll list and whatever I is that satisfied it. And then, yeah, we want to return that list. So I list and just keep another stop there. And then so for this, not sure, we can just call the function and put in a number for the primes list and call it. When it says take input, I just always want to just put in a input statement. I know fairly irrelevant on this since it's all just me doing it. But yeah, this is how, if we were to actually take other folks' user input and they weren't privy to this code, this is how it would have run. So yeah, what we did, we're setting up this user input. So they'll give us a number here. Um, we'll turn that into a number there. So that n will equal prime. So then we can call that function, then primes list, um, and n. And then also just, I think, spirit, I think, of this prompt is really what y'all are asking for. But this will be both and show just kind of what is used here. So we're gonna do 3 here, just because I think that's the easiest number for me to know if I'm correct on this. Using it here. So 3. So yeah, 2 and 3, those are both prime. So let's run that again. We'll try 10 on here. So let's get that defined in here. 10, and then so let's run that again. I think, yeah, there we go. Okay. And then so try 11 just to show that inclusive because 10 obviously is not prime. So, and then, yeah, wonderful. So that is that's the code for the prime number. Thank you so much. Have a good day.